In the water, there is a very simple hierarchy. There are things that get eaten, and there is the crocodile. They drown wildebeest, ambush zebras, and have been recorded dragging full-grown lions into the water. The crocodile is, by every biological definition, an apex predator, a living fossil, unchanged for 200 million years. Nothing challenges them. Nothing has ever needed to. At least, that's what we're told. While tracking Nile crocodiles along the riverbanks of sub-Saharan Africa, researchers kept noticing something strange. A crocodile would be basking, perfectly still, completely unbothered. And then, it would see something at the water's edge and leave. Not slowly, not casually. It would slide off the bank and disappear into deeper water. Immediately, the same animal that holds its ground against lions was retreating. And the thing standing at the water's edge wasn't a bigger predator. It was a hippo. Crocodiles are built for violence in a way that almost nothing else on Earth is. Their bite force tops 3,700 pounds per square inch. They can go months without eating. Their immune system is so powerful that scientists are studying their blood as a potential antibiotic. A crocodile is essentially a weapon that learned to breathe. And a hippo looks like a very fat, very grumpy couch. They eat grass. They spend their lives standing in water looking vaguely annoyed at everything. In human terms, this is like a Navy SEAL being chased out of a swimming pool by someone's angry uncle. You should just be able to win. But crocodiles don't see it that way. Here's why. Hippos give birth in the water, and they will kill anything that gets near their calves. Not threaten, not bluff charge, kill. Their canine teeth reach 20 inches long. Their jaw opens to nearly 180 degrees, and they can bite a 10-foot crocodile clean in half. But one hippo isn't the problem. A bloat, which is genuinely what a group of hippos is called, typically numbers between 10 and 30 individuals. When a crocodile enters hippo water, it isn't dealing with one 3,000-pound animal with zero impulse control. It's dealing with all of them. Hippos have been documented surrounding crocodiles that wander too close to calves, cutting off escape routes, herding the crocodile into shallower water where it loses its depth advantage, and then just standing there, waiting. The crocodile almost always makes the smart decision. Because here's the thing about crocodiles. They are not built for prolonged confrontation. A crocodile that gets into a sustained struggle exhausts itself within minutes. And an exhausted crocodile is a dead crocodile. One bad bite, one torn jaw, one damaged eye, and the most perfectly engineered ambush predator in history can no longer ambush anything. The kill isn't worth the risk. The most dangerous opponent isn't the one you can defeat. It's the one that could accidentally break you on their way to doing something else entirely. And this reshapes the entire river. In stretches dominated by hippo bloats, crocodile activity during daylight hours drops to almost nothing. The crocodiles are still there, but they're holding in deeper channels, moving only at night, hunting in the windows when hippos are on land grazing. They are scheduling their entire lives around the hippos. In those same stretches, prey animals tend to cluster, not because they've calculated the math, but simply because the crocodiles have vacated the shallows. The hippo becomes, accidentally, a bodyguard. The most feared predator in the water, reduced to hunting in the gaps that the fat, grass-eating couch animal leaves behind. But this doesn't make the hippo the apex predator. Crocodiles hunt everything. They operate in saltwater, freshwater, rivers, and open coast. They survive droughts by burying themselves in mud. If the world changes, the crocodile changes. It has been doing exactly that for 200 million years. The hippo is a specialist, a territory specialist, a water specialist. Pull one away from its bloat and it's just a very large, very loud animal with no particular advantage. Lone hippos have been killed by lions, by hyenas, even by crocodiles. The hippo's dominance is local, numerical, entirely dependent on the group, and the crocodiles are adapting. Older crocodiles, the ones that have shared territory with hippos long enough to know the rhythms, have started timing their movements with precision. They know when the hippos graze. They know the gaps. They are not fighting the hippo's system. They are finding the cracks in it. That's how smart 200 million years of evolution makes you. At the end of the day, apex predator is just a label. You can be unchanged for 200 million years. You can have the most powerful bite ever recorded. You can be the last thing countless animals ever see. And still, you schedule your day around a fat, grass-eating, perpetually furious neighbor who isn't even trying to compete with you. They're just there. And somehow, that's enough. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see another predator that isn't quite as invincible as you thought, check out this video.